Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first the derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 2 next to y, that is for integrating factor. So we put negative number 2 going here. And we have negative 2s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have ap. So the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of negative 2s. Now we need to concentrate on this one. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s squared. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds dv, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of negative 2s over negative number 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have du multiplied by v, number 2 divided by 2. We have number 1 negative with negative, we have positive. Now we can use about integration by parts, but this one, that is about s. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive, and we have the integration e to the power of negative 2s ds. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative 2s, and I will put about c. So this one, we have negative 1 over 4 e to the power of negative 2s. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, We divide both sides by this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.